Need to check the purchase date of your Apple Watch, but don't know how? Well, look no further. By watching this video, you can find it using your watch's serial number or through your Apple ID. In this video, I'll show you how to check the purchase date of your Apple Watch. So let's get started. First, go to the settings on your Apple Watch. Then tap General. Now tap About. Scroll down. Here you will see the serial number. Copy this number. Now go to the Safari browser on your iPhone. Search IMEI. Check for Apple Watch. Open any website to check your serial number. Suppose tap on the first URL. Here, enter your serial number and then tap Check. Verify that you're not a robot if it asks. And here it is. Now scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the estimated purchase date. And this is the way to check the purchase date of your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like, and if you have any queries, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Till then, stay tuned and goodbye for today.